Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel, Classy Fashion Ideas. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, now let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, then I'm here with you along with a very stylish, very pretty and very beautiful design ideas of face masks. All of these are hand embroidered face masks. The purpose of sharing these designs is to share some very beautiful, pretty and easy to make face mask embroidery designs. Friends, you can make these mask embroidery designs in only 3 minutes if you are a embroidery artist, embroidery beginner, and you know the art of hand embroidery stitches. So make your mask classy, stylish, chic, and look elegant and stylish while keeping yourselves secure, healthy, and safe. So, friends, allow me to leave. I will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. And if you want some more creative, artistic, special, and beautiful face mask customized embroidery designs, then go to my channel's playlist. There you can find a number of thousands of designs, and I can say that this video is in the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have been sharing a very large amount of wide variety of designs of embroidery and many more hand art ideas, that how you can design your face masks and all sort of fashion ideas and tutorials for beginners and everything related to women fashion. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Until then, take care.